In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video on Wix. By the end, you'll have a YouTube player placed on your page and published live, using Wix's built-in tools for a smooth, reliable result. Start by opening the Wix website editor for the site you want to update. Once you're inside the editor, look to the left-hand toolbar and open the Add panel. If you don't see it immediately, it's the plus icon on the left. From there, choose Embed Code, and within the video options, select YouTube. Using Wix's YouTube element is easier than pasting raw code because Wix handles responsiveness and compatibility for you. Next, choose the video player option to insert a player onto your page. After it appears, click the player on the canvas to make sure it's selected. A small menu or settings panel will appear next to it. Click Change Video. This opens the YouTube selector, where you'll point the player to the exact video you want. In the selector, make sure the YouTube source is highlighted, then click Search Videos. Use the search field to type the video title, a channel name, or a few keywords. Wait for the results to load, then choose the video you want from the list. If you already have a direct YouTube link, you can paste it instead of searching. The result is the same, and it's a quick way to target the precise video. With your video selected, click Add. Wix will drop that video into the player on your page. You can now adjust the player's placement and size by dragging it and using the handles on the corners. Keeping a 16:9 shape helps avoid black bars and ensures the video looks great across devices. Try to align the player with nearby elements so your layout stays clean and professional. When everything looks good, it's time to make your changes live. Click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. After Wix finishes saving and pushing the update, click Done to return to the editor. Your YouTube video is now embedded and ready for visitors to watch. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Choose high-resolution videos for sharper playback. Avoid placing too many videos on one page to keep load times fast, and keep the player large enough to be comfortable on smaller screens. If you ever want to switch to a different video, simply select the player again and use Change Video to update it. That's all you need to embed a YouTube video on Wix. Simple, clean, and ready.